everyone, it's Ruber. Can you believe 2025 is almost over already? This year, Japan's entry rules have gone through some big changes. Things like the Visit Japan web registration, the new tax-free rules, and even the return of Suica cards. There's quite a lot travelers need to know before coming. So in this video, I'll walk you through the latest entry guide for 2025. Everything you should know before your trip to Japan. Whether you're planning to visit next year or coming over during the year-end holidays, make sure to watch till the end. Japan entry rules, updated for 2025, must know before you travel. Alright, let's jump right in. In 2025, several things have changed for travelers entering Japan, like Visit Japan web, tax-free shopping rules, and the Suica card system. So in this video, I'll walk you through these updates one by one, so you'll know exactly what to expect before your trip. Visit Japan web. First up, let's talk about Visit Japan web. It's an online system where you register your travel information before entering Japan. Since 2024, it's been strongly recommended for all short-term visitors, and by now, it's basically a must. The process is super easy. Just go to the official Visit Japan website before your trip, enter your personal details, travel plans, and customs declaration, and you'll get a QR code when you're done. Show that code on your phone when you arrive, and your immigration, customs, and quarantine checks will go much faster. At busy airports, it even connects with facial recognition gates so you can pass through by simply scanning your passport. One important tip: airport Wi-Fi in Japan can be a bit unstable right after you land. So make sure to take a screenshot of your QR code before you leave your country. That way, you can show it even without an internet connection. Just completing this step makes a huge difference. Your entry process will be so much smoother. So don't forget to register before your flight and start your Japan trip stress-free. Tax-free shopping rule changes. In 2025, Japan's tax-free shopping system went through some major changes. Until now, if you bought something in Japan and shipped it overseas, you could still get it tax-free, but not anymore. Starting in April 2025, items shipped overseas are no longer eligible for tax exemption. That means if you buy something online or send a gift directly from a Japanese store to another country, it won't count as tax-free. And from 2026, Japan will completely switch to a refund-based system. In other words, you'll pay the tax when you buy something and then get the refund at the airport when you leave Japan, just like in many other countries. So from now on, make sure to keep your receipts and allow extra time at the airport if you plan to claim a refund. The process can take a little while. Also, the special sealed tax-free bags will be discontinued, so you'll be able to carry your purchases as usual. Just remember, you need to take them out of Japan within 30 days. It might sound complicated, but don't worry. Just remember these two things: no more tax-free shipping, and refund-style tax-free starts in 2026. Suica and PASMO cards return. Next, let's talk about something every traveler needs: the Suica and PASMO cards for getting around Japan. Did you know these cards were actually suspended between 2023 and 2024? Because of a global chip shortage, they were super hard to get for a while. But good news, they're finally back on sale as of March 2025. And yes, the non-personalized versions have returned too. You can easily buy them at airports or major train stations. They're really simple to use. Just tap at the gate to ride trains or buses. No need to buy tickets each time. You can also use them for payments at convenience stores, cafes, vending machines, and even coin lockers. Topping up is easy. You can add money with cash or credit card, and when your trip is over, return the card at a ticket counter to get your 500 yen deposit back. If you prefer using your phone, you can go for mobile Suica or mobile PASMO instead. Just add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay, and you can travel completely hands-free. After being unavailable for so long, many travelers are excited that they can finally use them again. So if you're coming to Japan soon, make sure to grab one. It'll make your trip so much easier. Departure tax and import restrictions. Now let's go over 2 important points that travelers often overlook. First, the departure tax, officially called the International Tourist Tax. Every traveler leaving Japan pays 1,000 yen, and it's already included in your plane or cruise ticket. However, there's talk of raising this to 5,000 yen sometime in 2025. If it gets approved, it could start the following year. The goal is to help improve tourism infrastructure, like crowd control at popular spots and upgrades for regional airports. So when you plan your trip budget, it's good to leave a little extra room just in case. The second thing to watch out for is customs and import rules. Japan is very strict about what you can bring in, especially when it comes to food and medicine. Items like meat products, fruits, and even certain over-the-counter medicines, such as painkillers or cold medicine, might be banned or restricted depending on their ingredients. X-ray checks are now stricter than before, so if you're unsure about something, it's safest to declare it. Breaking these rules can lead to fines or confiscation, so before your trip, make sure to visit the Japan Customs official website and check the latest guidelines. So, what did you think? In this video, we went over the latest entry rules for Japan in 2025. Before your trip, make sure to register with Visit Japan Web. When shopping, watch out for the new tax-free changes. For getting around, use Suica and PASMO. And don't forget to check the departure tax and import rules too. If you know these key points, your 2025 trip to Japan will be so much smoother. And one more thing, Japan keeps evolving every year, from travel systems to new technology. So if you're planning a trip soon, make sure to stay updated with the latest travel info right here on our channel. We'll keep bringing you more Japan travel tips, cultural insights, and what's new heading into 2026, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more updates. That's all for today. Safe travels!